Gold prices have been on a parabolic run, climbing more than $300 within the president's first 50 days back in office to score all new record highs, not once, not twice, but on 15 separate occasions. Yes, you heard that correctly. Gold has set new record highs 15 times within the last 50 days alone. Gold has outperformed every other major asset class since President Trump's inauguration, including Wall Street's benchmark S&P 500, the Magnificent Seven stocks, and Bitcoin, which have now all entered into correction territory. Capital rotation from high-risk assets to gold, it's gaining unstoppable momentum in a big way, which cannot be underplayed. This is guaranteed to provide rocket fuel for gold's bull market for the months to come. Last week, gold prices skyrocketed to new record highs of $3,005 per ounce,